Hello, guys, and welcome back to your channel. I love 164. Today, we are going to do a very unique yet amazing unboxing. Why it is unique? Because this was the previous pop culture release mix. I think 3, 4, 5. I don't know. This is latest, like 2025 latest. There were like 5 cars, but I don't need the rest of the two, so I bought only these 3 cars. And this one is going to be from the 2024, or I don't know, 2025 mix 1 or 2. So this was like previously released, so it was like a little old, but this mix is the latest one. So let's bring the turntable and do the unboxing. So first we are going to do the unboxing for this pop culture car from the previous mix. It's a Barbie Corvette. Let's open this. I just try that I should not rip the guard off, so that's why I go like this, and somehow it worked out fine. The maximum card is good, in the good condition. And here is your card. Look at those wheels and this car. Let's put this on turntable and have a closer look. So this is your Corvette on a turntable. I really like these wheels. I don't know, they are 15, 16 spokes or whatever. I like that they make a plastic headlights on this car. The front have Barbie logo. The sides have Barbie and Barbie logo. It says 59 on it. The rear have all the details, the exhaust, the tail lights. They made actually a very good casting out of this, and it's going to be an awesome car out of that mix. Now let's move to the next one. Next we have a Top Gun Maverick. Before I open this, I want to bring something in from the Top Gun. Just give me a moment. Remember this that we opened last week? Let's put this here. And now let's do the unboxing for this Top Gun Porsche. The car is safe. The car is in the hands. I don't know if it's just me or the wheels are amazing for this one as well. I don't know. Let me know, guys, if you think the wheels on this car and on this Barbie car, they are like top game from Hot Wheels. Let's put this one on turntable and have a closer look. So here's your Porsche. We have 5-spoke wheels. On the rear we have Porsche logo. The tail lights are plastic. The wheels look amazing on this. The front is very clean. Just the headlights and Porsche logo on the front. This is actually one of the cleanest Porsches they make. I like it. I like it. So that was your Porsche. Let's arrange this a little here from before I move to another one. So there were 2 reasons of putting this jet here today. One, that it was from the Top Gun and we were going to unbox this Top Gun Porsche. And the other reason was we are going to do the unboxing of this combat jet from G.I. Joe. If you have seen the previous video, you know, I told that I only have two jets so far. One is from the Top Gun Maverick, and another one is this G.I. Joe jet. Here is your jet. We know this comes from these kind of Hot Wheels cars. So what is crazy about this jet is this. You just need to push, and the other one goes like this. Isn't this a cool feature? And a cool jet from G.I. Joe. I'm sure the fans from the G.I. Joe movies gonna love this just like I do. So it goes here like this, something, yeah. And then we can put it like this. So I'll put it on the turntable and we will have a close look on this. Before that, let me park this Porsche. Yeah. And here we have our G.I. Joe jet. I don't know much about jets, so we are just going to talk about whatever be the detailings we have here on this one. We have the exhausts, we have the logo of the G.I. Joes on the wing, one of the wing, and we have 100 logo on the front. There are some G.I. Joe detailing on the side. I really like the cockpit also, the way they created it, and it's a clear, they kept the glass, clear glass, so that we can see all the seating arrangement inside. This is a very nice jet, second jet I have added in my collection. Now let's move to the next one. So this was your coolest jet from the G.I. Joe. And last but not the least, this is going to be my favorite out of this set. Why? Because it's a Jeep Wrangler. Because this is from the Jurassic Park movie. And because it's an amazing casting. Honestly, I love this so much that I actually bought two of these. One I'm going to keep guarded because I don't know if I would be able to open the card perfectly or not. So the card art is so amazing. Luckily I did not damage anything, but the card art is so amazing that I bought two of these cards. Here is your Jeep Wrangler from Jurassic Park. Let's put this one on the turntable and I have a close review. I'll put both the jets together like this. Yeah. So this is your Jurassic Park Wrangler Jeep with the number 18 on it. I really like the deco on this. I really like the way they created it with the gray and red two-tone color. They have spare wheel as well. I like the wheels on the sides with the red color, and it does have Jurassic Park logo on it. Even on the front, it has number plate, all the focus lights, front lights, indicators, every damn thing you imagine, it's there. Look at the tail lights as well. And all the number plates, they have Jurassic Park logo. This is like best of the best work from Hot Wheels. And I really like all the off-roading vehicles. So I love this as well. So guys, this was your unboxing of the Pop Culture Mix Let me know, guys, what do you think about this one? Which one is your favorite? Mine is going to be definitely this car. This Jurassic Park car is my favorite casting and the car from this amazing mix of Hot Wheels Premium. So don't forget to like and subscribe. There are more amazing videos coming. See you in the next one.